Okay, in this section, we're going to take a look at taking the March mentions, 479 mentions we have coming in, and having these mentions um, stream into a Google spreadsheet using Integromat. So to get started, you're going to go to your Integromat account. If you haven't requested access, invitation access to the Audience Integromat widget or capabilities, let us know. We're happy to invite you and give you access. So we're going to create a new scenario. We're going to click continue because we're not listed in this list yet. Then we're going to click here and type Audiente. And we want to get segment items. And we're going to pick our March mentions segment. Then it's a good idea to go ahead and run it. That will produce a data set, right, that we can then use to fill out the rest of the system. So now we're gonna throw an iterator in. We basically want to loop over all of the items that it found, and we want to pick the total number of bundles. And that basically just says we're gonna loop over everything that is in the list. And now we've got this. Now we want to connect another module. In this case, we want to connect to Google Sheet. And we're going to add a row. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, the system will ask for that. We want to select Spreadsheet and Sheet. Pick March mentions. Then it'll ask for what sheet we want it on. The table doesn't contain headers, so we want to create a column range. And now, because we filled this in, we now can just pick what we want in each column and have an example of it. That we can add in. Language. Let's see. Match type. Let's say the profile, friendly ID. Let's add the sentiment. Then let's add the snippet. And lastly, let's add the source URL. So we've done that, and now we can run. And that's it. So now we can go look at the spreadsheet. And there we go. So all our data is now in a Google Sheet. If I turn on that integration, the system will automatically update this spreadsheet as new mentions flow into the system. So that's how you connect things up. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.